in the regular expression, there is many methods or many functions to use from the library to search for a specific string or word inside a string. And يعني في functions موجودة داخل library تستخدمها للبحث عن كلمة أو مجموعة كلمات أو أعداد داخل السترينج. السترينج هو عبارة عن عبارة، الباراجراف هو مقطع. فمثلا let's together print RE to make to do عشان تستخدم regular expression you have to import first all import RE regular expression from the library. You import the library, then you use the functions that inside this library. يعني تجيب library وبعدين تستخدم الفانكشن اللي موجودة داخل library. So the name of the library RE is search. دائما تحت كده هنا what I did, this is the close parentheses for print. From here, print start to the end here. In the search function here inside this, I have to start with R. I mean, R stands for raw string. I'm going to use raw string. I mean raw string, which means every character inside this is considered as like standard character, has no other meanings when I use the R. So then it's back. So now a single code. So what happened? You couldn't find it. None found. Why? Because I'm looking for small letters here, and here is capital letters. Can't find it. So what I have to do, I have to change these for capital letter. Save the file. So it says it found. So I'm looking for this word inside this string. Okay, so it starts searching from here, from the beginning. Look for A in here. Look for A here. Then it comes to here. It found A. Then it check the other one M. So it matched. So it found it inside here. Okay, so that's why it says it found a mean at 8. Found it at 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start from here 8. And that's the end of it, which is 12. 12 actually is not included. يعني 12 it doesn't include. دايما when you say like a range, that means the last number is not included. The 12 will be like this one. So it's actually the last one will be here. This is for search for pattern. Now what else can I do here for search? Okay. Let's do for search for. Now let's do a search for. Let's search for this number. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is many ways to search for the number. Let's use the basic way. نستخدم الطريقة البدائية في عملية البحث عن هذه. ف ايش نسوي نسيت. well 1 2 3 4. Okay, it found 1 2 3 4. See it here, found it. So this is before I used there is meta characters I didn't use yet. Meta characters mean a character. And meta character is the meta character mean a characters which in Python or any computer language has meaning. A meta character يعني any حرف في لغة البرمجة له معنى. هذا ما يسمى meta character. Now let's now let this. Okay, let's start first. Now go to the subject where we have to use more functions, more way. Look, there is in the you get there is in regular expression. You get for regular expression something you call it anchors, which mean like تثبت. anchor like تثبت الشيء. وين تثبت لك كأنك تعمل مسمار، يا إما في البداية أو تعمل في النهاية. تقول هذا هنا المرجع. Is like anchor in English is known for people who speak English من anchor. So let's first go to this and again do like this. Look, the first anchor, which means a start. This symbol mean a start. This they call it anchor, which is a start. As mean like look, search for at the beginning. يعني ابحث في البداية عن هذا الرقم داخل هذا السترينج. يعني بالتأكيد for sure at the بداية and this beginning is S, is not 1. So this will be like you can't find it. It will be false. Okay, let's do this. So none, you can't find it. So well, so first of all, search only is search in one it's search in a text. If it find one time, has to find it one time. If it find it, okay. If it didn't find it, then return none. يعني السيرش دائما تبحث على طول التكست السترينج، واذا وجدته تعرضه، واذا ما وجدتش تعطي none. هذا بالنسبه للسيرش. Okay, let's start first again. Start for regular expression. We start by something we call it the anchor. The anchors, which is this one, and this one, and this one, this one. 3 anchors. 4 anchors. This one. This one, and this one, the two of those. It tells the search engine where to look at the beginning of the string. As I said, the string always it could be like a string is a line of text, string. So if you go to another line, that means then you have multi-line. That's you have to add flag. I mean, a string is one string is one line. You know, one يعني واحد زي هذا، يعني مثلا واحد خط من الكتابة، واحد يسمى واحد string. So طيب for example here to use the regular expression, you have to import the library. Then you have to start using the function inside the library. So a dot here to show you this the name of the function search. I'm using search from the library. نحن نستخدم الباحث من الليبراري. هذا النيم of library وهذا الباحث. وهذا هنا عندي this is the R, which mean raw text. Raw text here is mean like Python has to see this as a text. It doesn't see it like at when I write a text, it will be as a text. As a text looks at a text, even though if I have some as a text. So this is the text here, and this is the string, which is this string here. So let's see now. I'm going to search for, if I search for something at the beginning في البداية, have to start with this. Then it type the name Amin. All right. So now this will go look at the beginning of this, see if match A, then see after that if it match I and N, matching this with this at the beginning. Okay. So now say compile, it find it from 0 to 4. Okay, it find this one. So now let's go to the second one, which is A. I mean, I have to, rather than using these, يعني نستخدم الآن A. It's another anchor to tell from the beginning. Find things in the beginning of the string. Find. Now we have the other anchor. Now see, let's see the difference between this one and this one. Let's start from the beginning using this one. If I use this one and say search for, let's use this now, small letter. I mean, no, let's is like this as it. Let's search for, I mean, small letter. Then it says here after this is like a new line. Then after new line, I will say type Amin. So now the first line in the text has no Amin, the first. The second line in the text has Amin at the beginning. أمين في بداية، أمين موجودة في البداية. Now الآن نستخدم هذه طبعا you will not find it. You couldn't find it because what, like this one is search at the beginning. So now let's do here something they call it flag. You see if the flag it will work. Let's use also A. Look, without flag yet. A. So in both cases, this one and this one, it didn't work. Because where? Because it says at the beginning, it's looking only at the first line. It's looking at the first line. It's not looking at the second line or third or fourth. You're looking at the first. So that's why both of them didn't work. Now let's start using a flag, which means it tells to search in multi-line. So to add the flag, comma, RE dot M stand for multi-line. Let's see now. See for A, it couldn't find. For A, it didn't find. But let's use this one, and so it find it. So we know now the difference, but they are both the same, but the difference, like this one, if you put the flag multi-line, you could search for line 1 for all the lines. I mean, to find at the beginning of each line if this exists.